Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Let's Fix This. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the door hinges on a Jena-Air Walloven. A lot of the time the hinges will bend and the door won't close right, light will be left on, heat will be escaping. In order to remove the door we need to release these hinge locking tabs. Sometimes you'll need a screwdriver, sometimes you can do it by hand. Once you've released those locking tabs you're going to close the door and lift as you're closing, and that will get the door off the hinges or the receivers. This particular door has a bottom bracket that we need to remove, 3 Phillips head screws. Once we remove those, there's 2 screws that attach to the upper part of the hinge. Then we can separate the door so that we can get to the hinges. Now each hinge has 2 Phillips screws up through the bottom that hold the hinge in place. We'll remove those 2 screws and the hinge comes free. It's a pretty simple repair on this particular Walloven door. Just pull the hinge out, grab the new hinge, lift the door, and put it back in place. Once the hinge is in place, we just need to reinsert the 2 screws at the bottom. Some hinges will have a bracket on the inside of the door that it slides up into. The process for replacing those is the same. It just has a bracket instead of a screw that goes through the door down in. That's this screw here I'm about to put in. But same process. A few doors you do have to separate the entire door and remove 2 screws at the very top, but they're still generally not too bad. Now we'll do the other side. Remove the 2 Phillips screws. Remove the hinge. I was a little smarter on this one and had the hinge sitting right next to it so I wouldn't have to raise and lower the door. So have the part ready to go and it'll make it a lot easier. And then I also got a little smarter and used the hinge to prop the door open, so I didn't have to sit there and hold it. So you can put something in there to prop it up, make it a little easier. Gonna reinsert the 2 screws at the bottom. One thing you got to be careful of is the door is porcelain, so if you over tighten these screws it will chip the porcelain, so be careful with that. You want to make sure they're snug so that the hinge doesn't move, but you don't want to over tighten them. Once you've put all 3 screws back in, then you can go ahead and reassemble the door. Now something I like to use is a pick tool. It's an automotive pick tool, pick up at Lowe's or Home Depot, and it just makes it easier to line up all 3 holes because you have the base frame, the inner door, and the outer door that all have to line up, and it's pretty difficult to do unless you have something like that to hold it together. So pick tool in the middle, put the 2 outer screws in place. Then we'll remove the pick tool and put the final screw in the bottom. Once that's done, we're ready to put the door back on. So you're going to put the hinge into the receiver, close the door a little bit, and it should lock into place on both sides. And then you open the door all the way and re-lock the hinge bracket in place. Sometimes it's a little difficult, so I had to get my screwdriver on this one because my fingers weren't strong enough to do so. And that's all there is to fixing the hinges on a Jena-Air Walloven. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to fix your own appliances. Thank you.